Hello everyone, good morning. Today we're going to discuss about some group policies. See, group policy. What is a group policy? Group policy is a collection of settings which can be applied on a computer and users. With the group policy, administrator can centrally manage the computer and users. Eases administration using group policies. See, policy means group of settings. So coming to policies. So nowadays, central government and state governments are making policies, right? After acting the government, they're making policies for better living, for better society, for better things, right? So the government is running because of policies, right? So no one will monitor you. So there is no time to monitor each and every person in the state or central, right? So there are policies. The policies run by the people. Okay, any policy, because we are following policies, we are obeying policies and following even rules, traffic rules. There is a traffic policies. So in the traffic policy, there are set of rules. So we are following, right? For everything, we are following rules. So rules comes from policies. So policies made assembly and parliament, right? So coming to here, policies with with the help of policies, administrator can easily manage computers and users, because in the real time we have lot of computers, lot of users, like thousands of users, thousands of computers. We cannot manage without the group policies, right? So by applying group policies, we can manage computers, users in the environment, in the domain. So with the group policy administrator, with the group policy, administrator can centrally manage computers and users. So using with the help of group policies, administrator can easily manage the computers and users. So with these group policies helps easy administration. So administrator can easily manage all the infrastructure. Okay, so that is called group policy. So coming to software deployment. So this software deployment, for example, if I would like to install a particular software in a particular missions, few missions. So you need to go to the system and copy the download or copy the software into the missions and install. This is what we usually do, right? Coming to software deployment using group policy, it is very easy. It is very easy. From the domain controller, you can push the software to missions which you would like to install, which you want to install in those computers. So you software deployment. Software deployment is nothing but installing the software in the missions from uh, using group policies. Okay, so we will discuss few group policies today, and remaining group policies we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, so first group policy. Any questions so far? Any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, so group policies applies on certain on different levels. See, even rules also applying different levels. So here we can apply policies like OU level. OU means organization unit, and domain level and site level. We can apply group policies OU level. OU level means a particular OU. Who are the users? Let me show you OU. So we can apply the policies on different levels. See, IT is a OU, organization unit. So if I apply on organization unit, so those policies will apply to these users and these groups only. Okay. And if I apply on here, like domain level, so who are part of this domain, the policy will get applied on those users. So OU level, domain level, and site level. Site means collection of domain controllers. One site means collection of domain controllers. What are that is site. For example, Hyderabad is a site, Bangalore is a site. In Hyderabad, we have collection of computers and domain controller. And in Bangalore, we have collection of computers and uh, domain controller. So that is called site level. So in site level also, we can apply policies. So policy is same, but where you want to apply policy is important here. So the audience, if you apply policies on IT, only that policy will apply on these users and groups. If you apply here, only policies will get affected on these users only and groups. Okay, so let's try to apply one policy uh, on OU level first, and then domain level, and then uh, site level. The scope of group policy. See, the scope is you can apply policies on site level, domain level, OU level. Okay, now we'll apply one policy on site level. I mean, sorry, OU level first. Okay, go to tools, group policy management. See, group policy management. Open this. Okay, right click on here. Let me check. Sales S1, S2, S3, IT. Okay, let me apply on sales. Okay, so sales, in sales OU, there are users like S1, S2, S3, S4. Okay, so on. So let me apply on policy on sales organization unit. So after opening group policy management, you can see OUs, organization units. So sales is the OU. Right click on it, create a group policy in this domain. Okay. So which group policy you want to apply? Okay. So for example, recycle bin. See, one second. Let me log into log off. Here I want to hide recycle bin for the users who are in sales organization unit. S1, S2, S3, so on, right? So let me log in with S1. Switch user, S1. It is log. It is creating profile because the first time S1 is logging into this machine. So it is creating profile. So see, I'm able to see computer here, right? Computer. Now I want to hide this computer. I would like to remove this computer or recycle bin for a particular users. So what should I do? I cannot do manually to thousands of missions, to thousands of users, right? So if I apply policy, that policy will apply, will remove the my computer recycle bin. So if you would like to remove this manually, it may take a lot of time. See, in TCS Infosys, there are 50,000 employees. So to make a setting in particular setting in each mission, how much time it will take lot of time. So we'll apply a group policy. That policy will remove everything. Okay, so recycle bin. Okay, go group policy. Let me remove just policy name, remove mm, remove computer. See here, computer is there, right? Computer. Okay, now you cannot see the computer after applying the policy. Now you cannot see this after applying policies. Okay, remove my computer. This is a policy name. Okay, right click on it, edit. Okay, and go to user configuration, policies, just expand, and administrative templates, and go to desktop. Okay, in the desktop here we can remove recycle bin, remove remove my computer icon on the desktop, or let me there are, see, these are all templates. These are all templates. Remove recycle bin icon from the desktop. Okay, double click on it, enable, apply, so that you cannot see the recycle bin after logging. Okay, so, and also remove computer icon on the desktop. Okay, is computer icon showing desktop? Okay, properties. This is a okay. I'm applying two policies here. Removing computer icon, enable, apply. Okay. See, I'm applying remove computer icon on the desktop and remove recycle bin on the computer. Okay, just close it. Close it. See, the policy will apply on sales OU, means the policy showing effect are on these users. S1, S2, S3, S4, and ARN. Close and run. Go to command prompt. GP update. Run this command to update the group policy. GP update. Yeah. Now let's verify whether the policy is applying or not. Okay. Minimize it. Go to activate use in computers. Let it open, and now it is showing up, right? Log off. Log off. See, we'll check with this one of the user in the sales OU, and out of the sales OU, we'll check with one user, Jay or Raj or something. Okay. Okay. Now let me check with S1. Still it is showing, means not updating. The policies not updated. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll run GP update from here. Usually it takes time. So run GP update from client machine as well. Okay, just log off. And run one more GP update here. Yep. Now let's check. See, now are you able to see the recycle bin? See, because policy is applying. What policy is saying? Remove recycle bin icon from the desktop. And here, if you see computer, what policy is computer? Are you able to see computer now? Before I'm able to see computer, now I'm not able to see computer because policy is applying. In the same computer, if you log in with any user which is in sales, which users in sales organization unit. So if you log in S4, the policies will apply S3, S2, and ARN. Okay, I will try to log in with other user account which is out of sales OU. Okay, J. Let's log in with J. Okay, J profile is already, I think J is log off. Now you tell me, now you will see recycle bin and my computer icon or not? You will see or not? Oh, it is the first time login. See, now the profile is creating. See, for in J user account, now we are able to see recycle bin and computer, my computer, because no policies applying on J. J is out of sales organization unit. J is out of sales organization unit. So this policy apply on only sales OU, on only sales OU. Are you clear?
Sir.
Yeah. Now, if you want to check with another user also, you can check like S2. Log off. Now, another, let's apply the same kind of policy on domain level. Okay, now we applied on OU level. Let's apply on domain level. Okay, go to tools, group policy management. See, if you want to apply domain level, you have to apply here. You have to apply here. Right click on it, create policy. So what policy? Let's apply control panel. Yeah, control panel. See, if any user, let's apply control panel. See, if you open control panel is opening, right? So, and also, yeah. See, this is control panel. Now I'm able to open control panel. So through group policy, I will restrict this control panel, not to open any user. Okay. So I mean, remove access to control panel. Okay. Right click on it, go to edit. Sorry. Right click on it, edit. Expand this. Okay. And administrative templates control panel. Okay. In control panel, prohibited access to control panel and PC settings. Double click on it, just enable, apply. Okay. So now I enabled prohibited access to control panel policy. Just close it, and run GP update. So everyone in this domain, in ARN.com, this policy will apply on every user. In users, sales, IT, on every user, this policy will apply who are part of this domain. Okay, so let's check. So now I'm able to access the control panel, log off, and log in again. Now you cannot access control panel because the policy will apply. See, now you cannot see the control panel. Okay, of course, if you type here control panel, what will happen? This operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So you cannot open the control panel. So let me check with another user. Another user. Let's see. In sales, there is this user is ARN. User is ARN. Let me check with ARN. Sorry, mouse is hanging. ARN. Okay. Go to. There is no control panel. Okay. Anyway, let me search and open the control panel. What is same error? Because this policy is applying on every user. Because I applied policy on domain level. Because of that, it is applying on every user which are part of this ARN.com domain. Okay. Now coming to another site level. Let's apply the policy on site level. Okay. So this time documents will, sorry, remove documents. log off. See, this is lot of policies. Lot of policies. You can apply n number of policies. Okay. So go to tools, group policy management. In the group policy management, you see group policy objects. Okay. Right click on it, new, and give policy name. Remove document. Remove documents. My documents. I mean, remove my documents. Okay. Right click on it, edit. Right click on it, edit. Expand this. Policies, administrative, desktop. Okay, here hide network location. 1 second. We can lot of policies. We can apply here. Many policies you can apply. Okay. Remove. Yeah. Remove documents. See, now I'm able to see documents. Documents. See. Okay. Now I will remove documents using group policies. Remove properties from the document context menu. Remove. Okay. And hide Internet Explorer. You can hide Internet Explorer also. Hide all disabled items. Prohibited uses normally redirect profile. Okay. Prohibited edges desktop toolbar. Preventing adding, dragging, dropping, closing. Okay. Turn off save. Remove properties on the context. Remove recycle bin. Okay. Let me do the same. Remove property. Okay. My document. Remove properties from the my document icon. Sorry. Double click. Apply. Okay. And remove my document. Yeah. So this is the what we need to enable. Yeah. This is remove my document icon on the desktop. So I applied policy. Close it. Close it. GP update. No, I think I forgot this. Group policy management again. Here, site. So we applied policy, remove documents. And coming to site, right connect, show sites. So this is the site. So in this site may have multiple domain controllers, multiple domains. Okay. So select this default site, click OK. Click OK. Or else 1 second, I'll show you. Show sites, select, click OK. So this is the site. In this site, what are the domain controllers? Domains will apply here. Okay. Right click on it. Now link to the existing GPO. So GPO group policy is ready, but we need to link to the site. So link to the existing site. So default, which one? Remove documents. Click. So we created group policy, but we are not linked to the site. Not linked to the site. Now we are linked to the site. So which policy you're linking? Link the site. Remove documents. Click OK. See now. So now in this site, who are there in the site, uh, the policy will apply. Okay, let me log off. Log in again. And I forgot to run GP update command. Close this and run GP update command. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to update the policies. So we are just forcing to update the policies which I have made. Okay, now let's check. I think let me log off. Okay, now log in back. Because policy is not applying, it takes time usually. Still it is showing. Okay, let me run GP update from here. Log off. Log in back. I think it's taking time to apply the policies. We'll do one thing. Log off. Okay, let's rerun the GP update one more time here. Okay, now log in. Still it is showing. Okay, it usually takes a lot of time. Sometimes it is a quick. Let me log in with another user, Jay.
Sir. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I think you did not remove the document tracing. I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me
While
check.
removing that, you did not do apply, sir.
Okay. Yeah, maybe the true. Okay, let me review the policy again.
Okay.
It is still showing. Yeah, maybe you're right. Let me review the policy again. Oh, sorry. Group policy management. Right click on it, edit. Expand. desktop, and remove my documents icon from the desktop. Okay, remove. One second, let me. Prohibited, hide Internet Explorer, remove my computer, remove my document icon from the desktop. Okay. Mm, Prohibited, delete items. Okay. There are many policies. Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll apply another policy. So what is the policy? Do not add, share recent open documents. Remove properties from the computer icon. Okay. Hide Internet Explorer. Generally, yeah, Internet Explorer. Yeah, this is Internet Explorer, right? Let me hide Internet Explorer. Apply. Okay. Hide Internet Explorer icon on desktop. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we are good actually. It takes time usually. Close all and run GP update. Now it is saying log off. Now log in back. Still it is showing. My document. Okay. Let me check with other user like S1. Some users takes time to. Policies will take time to apply on some users, but on some users will apply very fast. So S1 user. Let me log in. Uh, 1 second. Maybe we are group policy management. Edit policy. Mm, Desktop. Prohibited all prohibited adjusting desktop toolbar. Okay. Let me check other prohibited adding items. Prohibited changes. Okay. Prohibited adding items. For example, let me add items here. Okay. Now I'm able to add the right. So prohibited adding items. Enable. So on the desktop, you cannot add icons. So that is what I'm applying policy. So prohibited adding items on the desktop. Okay. Let's run this. Close. GP update. Okay. Now GP update. Run the GP update here. So in the real time, we no need to run GP update in the client missions. Okay, it will take time to update. So if you want to update immediately, then only you need to run GP update, or else it will update by default automatically, but usually takes time. That's it. No, no, it's not update applying GP update. Let's rerun. Okay, log off, log off. G. Let me log in with the J. So we'll jump into the next topic. We'll see. End of the class, we'll check J, right? Okay. Here I'm trying. Let me try to. So it is no. It should not apply. I mean, it should not create policy. Right click on it. Edit. One moment, guys. Hmm. Yeah, we are good only, but I don't know. It usually sometimes takes time. Sometimes will apply immediately. See what is prohibited adding items. See the setting remove new web tab on the display control panel. One second. Okay, adding items. So right, one second. This one, add items, enable. Prohibited editing, deleting, closing, deleting items. Okay, let me enable deleting items. So you cannot delete any items on the desktop. Okay, that is what this policy is saying. Close GP update. Okay, log off. One moment. Let me delete. Let me add. No, it takes time. It takes time. Let's jump into another topic. Okay. Next. Next thing is group policy modeling. So what is group policy modeling? Group policy modeling is nothing but we don't know how many policies are applying on particular organization unit or particular domain or particular site. So if you would like to know what are the policies applying on OU level and domain level, uh, you will come to know using group policy modeling. Okay, so open tools, group policy management. Here group policy modeling. Right click on it, group policy modeling wizard. Click next, and you can see what are the policies applying in site level. See, site means here there are two domain controllers, right, in the site default for site name. So click next. So I would like to know how many policies are applying. Okay, click next. On container, on which container or on particular user. If you want to know on particular user, click user and give the username so that you will come to know how many policies are applying on particular user. For example, I'm giving S1 check name. So I would like to know how many policies are applying on S1 user. So S1. If you want to know container means here if you give container means organization unit, sales, IT. So if you would like to know policies, how many policies applying on IT organization unit and sales organization unit, you can give container here. Okay. So I'm just giving user. Let's check. Click next. Okay. And click select site. This site. Under this site, S1 user is there, right? So click next. Click next. Skip the final page of wizard without collecting data. Okay, click next. Go back. Click next. Click next. So now the data is collecting. So now we will get to know how many policies applying on S1 user. So please wait. Processing simulation. Finish. Generating report. Add. Just close. See. Removing documents. Remove my computer. Remove access to control panel. These are the policies applying on S1 user. See, on S1 user, these are the policies are applying. You can see the more information, username S1, where username in a sales container, user in arn.com domain. Okay. See, you can see all this information. Group policy IDs, GPO IDs. See, here likewise, you can you will come to know the policies which are applying on particular object like user, container, or computer, anything. So next software deployment. So how can we deploy software through group policy? So for that, I'm taking a software. One second. I'm just taking one software. We need the software in .msi format. MSI format. temp.msi all exes. One moment. MSI software MSI file. Okay. See, we cannot push the software, any software which is having .exe. So for every software, they will provide .msi file also. So I'm taking putty.msi. Okay. So I'm just copying this file to DC. Okay. Here I need to create a folder. I need to create a shared folder. Right click on it. Softwares. Okay. In that, copy this MSI file. So only MSI file we can push through group policy, not exe. See, for every software, they will provide .msi file also. Okay. So let me share this folder. Right click on it, share, specified users, everyone. Everyone, add, read and write. Sorry for the delay. This mouse is not working properly. My mouse. Okay, done. This is the path. Okay, now close this. Let's go to group policy management. Let's go to group policy management. Close this. Open group policy management. In the group policy management, expand this, expand this. In the group policy management, go to on sales OU. Okay, so I will apply software deployment policy on sales OU. Okay, right click on it, create a group policy. So here you need to give some name, software deployment something. Okay, click OK. Right click on it, edit, expand, expand. Here, if you see under policies, software settings, expand this, software installation. Right click on it, click new, go to packages. So you need to select the package, which package means software. You need to select the software, which software you want to deploy to client missions. So Win, what is the computer name here? Win-AD. Win-AD / software. You need to select software. See, select this software, open. So here you need to publish this software. You need to publish this software. Publish, click OK. So it will take time to publish the software. So once the software is published, you can see here. You can see here. Refresh. So meantime, just log off. Usually it takes time. Mm, okay. Meantime, let me check. So log in with user which is in sales OU. So ARN in sales OU, right? Let me check. Go to Active Directory use and so ARN S1. These are all sales OU. That's S1. Okay. Login. Yeah. See, now it is showing up. It takes time. Now it is showing up. Let's see. Go to this control panel. One moment. We need to remove the other policies. Mouse is, yeah, remove control panel. You can delete the group policies like this if you don't want. Okay, and IT. So these are the group policies. If you don't want, you can remove it. You can remove X, right click, delete. Okay, now just log off, run GP update here. GP update and also run GP update here. Close everything and run GP update. Here, just log off. Log off and check. Control Alt to del, log into. Okay, go to control panel and go to control panel and programs. And here, program and features. Expand this and go to, one second, install a program from network. Click here. See, now here showing putty software. Double click it and you can install it. So you no need to copy the software into the missions and run the software. Through group policy, we are pushing the software to the missions. So from missions, we can ask a user to install it. So now the putty is installing. This is how we can deploy the softwares into missions. Okay. Yeah, now it is applying what we have done before. Okay, let it install. See, can I add, one second. Let me delete. Delete is deleting. No, it's still not applying. Delete. Okay, deleting. Let me add. Yeah, no, that policy is not applying. Okay, click install. Click install. Install. Now the software is installing. So we applied site level policy is not applying, right? Okay, let me check. Mm, Group policy management. So what is the site level policy we applied? One second. We'll apply a simple policy on site level. Remove, delete, like delete. Let me create a policy. Remove my computer, delete. So we'll apply my computer policy, okay, on site level. Let's see whether it will work or not. Delete. Simple policy, okay. Right click on it. Right click on it. New. Remove my computer. Okay. This is the policy. Okay. So, and come to the sites and right click link to existing group policy. Okay. Linked. Right click on it. Go to edit. Expand policies. Administrator settings. Desktop. And remove remove computer icon. Desktop. Okay. Okay. Enable. Okay. Okay. That's it. See, here there are many policies. So if you see all the policies, these are all policies. So I'm applying only remove my computer. Remove computer icon on the desktop. Okay, done. Close. GP update. This is finished. Software is installed. Okay. So coming to here, now the site level policies will apply or not, we'll see. Putty is installed. Putty software is installed. Log off. And see whether the my computer will remove or not. You can log in with any user because we applied a policy on site level. So the policy will apply on every user in the site. See, no my computer. Now it is applying on site level policy. So no my computer. So if a control panel, now able to see control panel, right? Let's disable the control panel, same site level. Computer group policy. Expand this, my computer. Right click on it. Right click on it, edit. Expand this. Expand this. Expand this. Desktop. Remove access control panel. See, now I'm able to access control panel. Control panel. So now I'll remove the control panel access. Expand. Remove. Remove. One minute. Or else, where is the control panel? Sorry guys, mouse is irritating me. Remove. Remove recycle bin. I think we have done, we have already prohibited control panel. Now it is not able to see. Here is control panel. Oh, sorry, in the control panel. Here, prohibited control panel. Control panel access. Enable. Okay. Okay, just close it. Close it. GP update. See, I'm applying policy on site level. Earlier it was, it didn't work. Okay, now it will work. See. So policy is updated. Now just log off and log in. See, no control panel. If you open control panel, you cannot see. See, now site level also working. Before, because of policies, the templates, maybe we are giving a wrong templates. So that is the reason it didn't work. So likewise, you can apply a number of policies in the OU level or domain level or site level. Okay. Any questions? That's all for today. Any questions? Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.